Oi, good morning. About to boil off some ramen. Top ramen to be exact. Okay, so first order of business is obviously getting our fire lit, which is actually being pretty tough because I think it's below freezing this morning. So that's great. All right, let's just go for it. That was fast. Let's try that again. Holy sh! Far out. This smoke can't make up its mind where it's gonna blow. Sheesh. Finally. All right, I think that's gonna go. All right, now we got a fire. Now I can warm up my ice cold hands. Man, this feels good. You guys seeing that? Steam coming off my shoe. Look at that. Hopefully it's not freaking plastic melting. Some cold water. But watch this. Hey yo. Firebender now or something like that. Oh, look at that steam coming off. Whoa, that's sick. Oh, I'm getting smoke in my eyes. That's so dope. Be even more dope if I wasn't crying a river. I'm gonna go do that again. All right, fire's almost ready to roll. So, start getting this ramen going. Well, first off, let's get out our magical pot here that we'll boil our water in. Aha, here we are. Got our lid with all of our utensils inside. We'll just start loading this up here. Chuck the top on there. Gotta make sure it's all sealed around the outside because don't want any ash getting in there. Had that happen before and it kind of sucks.
Hey, boys. You're so good. Yes, yes, yes. I see. Don't stop eating poop. Nope, nope.
All right, that's looking good. And that is really pumping out some heat right now. Like right here. Oh my gosh. Hear that? Sounds like boiling water to me. Oh, yep. See some bubbles on the bottom. Oh boy. I see some water trying to come up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's go ahead and dump our ramen in there. Make sure not to knock that thing over. Go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Gotta get minimal ash onto the ramen here. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's really bubbling now. It's like the fastest I've ever boiled ramen. It's going so quickly. All right, I think we're about ready to take this thing off the fire. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, there we go. It's about time to drop this flavor pack in here. All right, give that a nice little stir. Yeah, look at that golden goodness. Oh yeah. Bro, just push some of the broth out. Oof. Okie dokie. All ready to eat. This has got to be blazing hot still. Check this out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some good looking ramen right there. Do a quick taste test. Might lose a couple of my tongue cells from this burn. That is it, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, check that out. Some good looking noodles right there. That's fire. Made on a fire too. How good. Wow. Still really hot. Holy crap. Well, probably just sit here, polish off the last of this ramen, enjoy the fire, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Broth test. Oh my, oh. Yeah, I just scalded my tongue, holy shit.